Hello everyone, welcome to GK online classes for class 8. Today we are starting geography lectures. In the geography, the first topic is continents and oceans. We all know that the earth's surface is not smooth. There are so many depressions on the earth. The earth's surface is divided into two parts, the land area and water area. The land area is divided into 7 parts and each part is named as continent. Likewise, we have 7 continents and the water area is divided into 5 parts. These 5 parts we are calling them as oceans. Coming to 7 continents of the world. We have 7 continents. Here I have written these names of these 7 continents in the order of area wise. So Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe and Australia. According to area, the first continent is Asia, and as well as according to population also, the top continent or otherwise the first continent is Asia, and according to area the least continent, otherwise the last continent is Australia. Now coming to, we will discuss about each continent and what are the special features of each continent. The first one, foremost continent is Asia. In Asia, the world's largest continent according to area and population. Keep it in mind, both area wise and as well as population wise, the world's largest continent is Asia. And in this Asian continent, the highest mountain range in the world, is Himalayan mountain range. These Himalayan mountain ranges are located in Asia, and also the highest peak in the world, Mount Everest, which has 8,848 meters height. The highest peak in the world, Mount Everest, is also located in Asian continent. And coming to the popular countries in Asia are India, China, Japan, North Korea, South Korea and Pakistan. These all are popular countries in Asian continent. You have to go through these important points under this Asian continent, which is very useful to general knowledge. Coming to the second continent is Africa. Africa is the world's second largest continent, and Africa is also known as Black Continent, and also it is also called Blind Continent. So many times this point is asked in competitive exams. See, Africa continent, also known as, otherwise also named as Black Continent and Blind Continent. Next, world's longest river is Nile River. World's longest river, Nile River, passes through this African continent. And one more important point is, Africa is the only continent in the world through which equator, Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn, these are the latitudes, equator, Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. These 3 latitudes passes through this African continent. This is the only continent on the earth through which equator, Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn, both 3 latitudes are passes through this African continent. And one more thing, world's largest desert is Sahara Desert. The world's largest desert, Sahara Desert, is present in African continent. This is about African continent. And next continent is North America. Coming to area wise, the North America is the third largest continent in the world. And world's largest freshwater lake is Superior Lake. This Superior Lake, which is the world's largest freshwater lake, is present in North America. And world's largest island is Greenland. Greenland, which is largest island in the world, is located in North America. And world's largest coastline, that means the country which consists of longest coastline is Canada. And this Canada country is present in North America. The special feature of this Canada is it has longest coastline, that Canada is present in North America. And coming to World Buffalo National Park, and this World Buffalo National Park is also located in Canada. This World Buffalo National Park is the world's largest national park, which is present in North America. So, my dear students, please pause this video and note down every point in your notebook without spelling mistakes, and these all important points under continents and oceans are very useful to Science School, RIMC and RMS as well as. So, please learn these topics thoroughly. Thank you so much. Hello students, in the last video we stopped the continents and North America. Now the next one is South America. South America is the fourth largest continent in the world, and coming to the specialities of this South American continent is Lake Titicaca. This is the highest lake in the world. See this Lake Titicaca. This Lake Titicaca is the highest lake in the world. This Lake Titicaca is present in South America. And next point, world's highest waterfall is Angel Fall. It is in Venezuela. The highest waterfall in the world, Angel Fall, is also present in South America. And coming to Andes Mountain Range, world's longest mountain range. In the first continent, Asian continent, we observed world's highest mountain range, but this is world's longest mountain range. Don't be confused. Andes mountain range is the world's longest mountain range in the world, and Himalayan mountain range is the world's highest mountain range in the world. And world's largest coffee producer is Brazil country. Brazil country is the world's largest coffee producer. This Brazil is present in South America. And world's largest copper producer. World's largest copper producer country is Chile. And this Chile is also in South America. And world's largest forest is Amazon forest. This Amazon forest is also present in South America. And most important point is Amazon forest is also known as lungs of the earth. Why? Because this is the largest forest, means so many trees present in this forest which is act like a lungs of the earth. That's why Amazon forest is known as lungs of the earth. Next one, Antarctica. this Antarctica continent is the fifth largest continent in the world, and it is completely covered with ice. So many times in competitive exams asked this one. Antarctica is also known as white continent and frozen continent. These two are most important. Which continent is known as white continent? Otherwise, they are asking like this. Which continent is known as frozen continent? Both the answer for both questions is Antarctica. And in Antarctica, several research centers are there. As this continent is completely covered with ice, it's very difficult for people to maintain livelihood there. That's why here only research centers are there for various countries. Coming to our Indian country research centers in Antarctica are Dakshina Gangotri, Maitri and Bharati. These three are the India's research centers present in Antarctica. Coming to next continent, Europe. Europe is the sixth largest and also second smallest continent in the world. Observe here, sixth largest continent also Europe and second smallest continent is also the Europe. And in between Asia and Europe, Caspian Sea is present. In between Asia and Europe, Caspian Sea is present. The speciality of this Caspian Sea is world's largest lake is this Caspian Sea. That's why it's most important. World's largest lake is present in Europe. Where in Europe, Caspian Sea. And coming to last final continent in the world, Australia. There are no specialties about this Australia. There is only one thing. This is the smallest continent in the world. This is about continents in the world. In our next class, we discuss about oceans of our world. Thank you very much.